everyone, welcome back to Shanaya's Henna Art. Today, we've got something special in store for you. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our Shanaya's Henna Art community. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. We appreciate your ongoing support. Now, in today's video, we're going to create floral Mehndi design. It's going to be beautiful, so stick around. Before we get started, remember to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited. Alright, let's jump right in. Before we delve into the main content, I want to take a moment to connect with you, our awesome community. I've shared over 18 amazing Mehndi classes, but I've noticed that the support hasn't been as expected. Viewers are watching only about 50 seconds. Your feedback matters. Let me know what you'd like to see on this channel. Your input helps shape the content, and I want to create videos that resonate with all of you. Alright, now let's dive into the exciting beautiful floral Mehndi design. But first, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up to show your support. Now, without further ado, let's explore beautiful floral Mehndi design tutorial together.
on the beat, yeah.